Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two leading managed hosting providers, Cloudways and Kinsta. If you're looking to host your website and are torn between these two options, this breakdown will help you make an informed decision. Cloudways offers a versatile platform that integrates with 5 different cloud infrastructures: Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Amazon Web Services, AWS, DigitalOcean, Linode, and Vultr. This flexibility allows you to choose the infrastructure that best fits your needs and budget. Additionally, Cloudways supports various content management systems, CMS, giving you the freedom to work with platforms beyond WordPress. This makes it an excellent choice for developers and businesses seeking customizable hosting solutions. On the other hand, Kinsta specializes exclusively in managed WordPress hosting, utilizing the premium tier of the Google Cloud Platform. This specialization ensures that their environment is finely tuned for WordPress performance and security. Kinsta handles all WordPress core updates and offers features like automatic backups, a user-friendly interface, and integration with Cloudflare for enhanced security and speed. If you're committed to WordPress and prefer a hands-off approach to server management, Kinsta provides a streamlined and optimized experience. When it comes to pricing, Cloudways operates on a pay-as-you-go model, offering a range of plans starting from as low as $11 per month, depending on the chosen cloud provider and resources. This model provides scalability and cost-effectiveness, especially for growing businesses. Kinsta, however, offers tiered pricing starting at $35 per month, with each plan including specific resource allocations and premium features. While Kinsta's pricing is higher, it reflects the premium managed services and infrastructure they provide. Find the links for Cloudways and Kinsta in the description of this video. Okay, now, in terms of performance, both providers leverage cutting-edge technologies like SSD storage, HTTP/3, and the latest PHP versions to ensure fast loading times and reliability. However, Kinsta's exclusive use of GCP's premium tier and their integration with Cloudflare's CDN can offer superior performance for high-traffic WordPress sites. Cloudways' performance will vary based on the chosen cloud provider and configuration, offering flexibility to optimize based on your specific requirements. Security is paramount for both providers. Kinsta offers built-in DDoS protection, hardware firewalls, and continuous monitoring to safeguard your site. Cloudways provides platform-level firewalls, regular security patching, and optional add-ons like Cloudflare Enterprise for enhanced protection. Both platforms prioritize keeping your data and applications secure. Support is another critical factor. Kinsta provides 24/7 premium support with WordPress experts, ensuring that any issues are promptly addressed. Cloudways also offers 24/7 support with various channels, including live chat and ticketing, catering to a broader range of applications and hosting environments. In summary, if you're seeking a flexible, cost-effective hosting solution with the ability to choose from multiple cloud providers and support for various CMS platforms, Cloudways is a compelling option. However, if you're dedicated to WordPress and desire a fully managed, high-performance hosting environment with premium support, Kinsta stands out as a specialized provider. The links to both Cloudways and Kinsta are in the description below. Explore their offerings to determine which aligns best with your project's needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.